Hello, welcome back at Subtech Online. Today I want to talk to the Vibe coders. If you're using Cloud for coding, you already have a system that is running. There are a few things you have to take into control. That is security. Security, row level security. You have to make sure that everything is intact. No one can hack you. You're not displaying your API keys on the front end. So this time I took it to also ask Claude to try and hack my system that is already running. I already have a system that I'm using for invoicing, and we are going to go through together how Claude tried to hack it, and it gave me options on how to mitigate. Now this, by the way, we already have a new version that comes with Opus 4.7. You can relaunch that if you have already got that notification. And those who have tried to reach out Cloud for the last 2 days, I'm recording this on 17th of April. You should see the co-work chat switch buttons now put on top, which is more intuitive now. There are a lot of changes. I'll be making videos about them, but for now, let's focus on how we tell Cloud to hack our system and recommend on what we need to do. Also, by the way, now you can change to dark mode with ease, which has not been the feature before. Okay, let's run with dark mode and we go through how I tried to hack the system I'm already running, and Cloud gave me 10 loopholes that I'm already having with the system. So my prompt was review the invoice. I gave it the link because it is already deployed, and advise what to enhance from features, row level security, keys displayed on the front end, security entirely. Then try to hack the whole system build and advise the weakest points with options sought out. Just give a brief sort of prompt, but obviously with prompt engineering, the better you prompt, the better you get the results. Now it took around 27 minutes. Yeah, you burn some tokens, but it's the good of your system. It gave me first of all the critical ones, like I have to sort now. Those were the all core tables. All the tables were wide open, no real RLS. There were no row level security. It means all my tables were just open. Anyone can access them without even logging in. So it gives you even exact tables that are being displayed without the policies. It gives you, obviously it created for me an SQL, which I ran on Supabase. For those who are using Supabase, I ran that SQL, which sorted out. Then I have a PDF that I upload and download for the different invoices. Still, the roots were not authenticated, which was also supported. Then the third, the IDOR on every PDF endpoints were loose, so there were no ownership, which was also taken into control. The app users and invitation tables were writable by anyone. It means anyone can change. So that was also sorted. Now those were the critical ones. Then it also gives you the high fix in case you're running out of tokens, which you can sort in like 2 weeks. That is, it gave me no security headers. I didn't have any security headers, which gave me the code that is being affected. No rate limiting on any routing. It means here that someone can send a lot of requests through your APIs, and at the end of the day, it exposes your credit. So you need always to have limits for your APIs that are put outside there. Magic login link exposed in the API response, which means this was returning a raw Supabase magic link that anyone can log in, the admin, without the role of the admin. So it gave me which code is being affected. Then field not validated in invite route. So on my system, I invite users, then they click on the link, then I give them a role. So that's the way of adding users. So that was loads. The payment details are hard coded. It means that the details are put there for payments, they're hard coded. So a lot. It gives you the future gaps. It summarizes all the gaps here, as you see, and the risk you're facing. High risk, single password equals to full compromise. A lot. If you have done vibe coding, you know what it means. Then the priority action plan. This is what it plans to do for me, and it will even give me the time. This will take 30 minutes. This will take 20 minutes. So you can go ahead, try one by one. So what I did, because I had enough tokens, I just said, let's start as you recommend. And it did everything. Here it shows you every code that has been adjusted. The red is the loose, then the green is what has been added to make sure that everything is taken into control. So that's what you see. And that is Claude for you. So at the end of the day, all was sorted, and I had to run the SQL on Supabase, and I gave it done. It also confirmed all the critical security fixes were deployed and migrated as applied. So I think that is it. Anyone, I needed to just talk to the Vibe coders out there that security is paramount. It is not optional. Please try to do something with your system.